Greetings. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to change your account password. To begin, please click on the menu button and from the drop-down select the My Profile option. Next, please navigate to the Password tab. You will be required to enter your new password twice to ensure accuracy and prevent any potential typing errors. After confirming your password, click on the Update button. If the password change is successful, a confirmation message will be displayed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.